how to start this thing. Hey, look, it's an iPhone 4. Now, can you tell me a little bit what your problem was? let's not videotape your code there.
Oh, it's broken again.
It is?
Yeah.
So what's broken?
The audio.
So the audio's broken. You can't hear out of this. But the speakerphone still work?
Speakerphone does.
Yeah, I'll blot that out. So, how do we tell if the speakerphone works? I'll blur out anything that doesn't, that shouldn't be there. Okay, so now speakerphone works.
But these tones come through your headpiece instead of the speakerphone.
And normally we'd be able to hear it right now. Well, here, maybe water shifted. So what did you? So tell me what you were doing right before this happened.
I was talking on my phone out in the rain.
Out in the rain because we live in Washington, where it rains a lot.
So if I change the volume, you can see that it's set to headphones. And as you can
even though there's no
see.
headphone there, so the phone thinks it has a headphone in there. Now what are you doing now? Sticking a rolled up piece of paper into the headphone jack, which is on the top of the phone, facing up in the rain.
Most people are smart enough to get in out of the rain.
Can I find a pool of water in there? Well, maybe the water went too deep.
There's some water.
There's some water in there. We need a little straw and blow it out. Yeah, that works now. Alright then, so you just gotta keep a rolled up piece of paper towel handy so the rain doesn't get into your, there we go. Fake antenna. Hey, maybe it'll have better reception now. Okay.